BD Cellismo tool provides tools to select cells of interest. One can use the lasso selection tool to select cells based on protein expression. This biaxial graph shows the expression of CD3 and CD4. Using lasso selection tool is able to select the CD4 T cells. After selection, one can create a new cell annotation, CD4 T cells, and a new category, CD4 T cells, and then apply. It is possible to go to the subtypes of CD4 T cells with similar approach. Let's first select the CD4 T cell category and then change the expression from CD4 to CD45RA, and then focus on CD4 T cell. Cells expressing high CD45RA are the CD4 naive T cells. Cells expressing low CD45RA are likely to be the CD4 memory T cells. Using lasso selection tools is able to select the CD4 naive T cell. After selection, one can add the cell annotation into the existing annotation CD4T with a new category CD4 naive T cell, then apply. Over here, one can look at the cells which are classified as CD4 naive T cell.